What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and welcome to this week's vlog. If you don't know, I started a party rental business about 3 years ago from this house, from the garage of this house, and I built my way up to a warehouse. It's summertime, it's getting busy, so it's going to be vlogs, so welcome to my vlog. At my shop. Let's go to my shop. It's a mess here, getting into the rhythm of this year. It may be a mess, but it's our mess. Right, Jaden?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah. Last year, I moved into the warehouse, but I never really got a chance to move in because I moved in the middle of busy season. So I just kind of, 1, 2, 3, go. Well, we have downtime in between gigs, so, getting new printers set up and, Jaden's there. Jaden's there organizing the shop. Jaden's been going hard, actually organizing all the things. You see, we've got gutters, doors, plain walls, old walls,
shitty walls, up walls, down walls, brown walls.
So lots of orders have been coming in online. However, the phone's been ringing a lot as well. And with Jaden working full time, it gives me time to sit at the desk and basically fulfill these orders, right? Because people who are calling who don't want to take the time on the website, well then, they want it now. So they'll call us, and if we don't answer, then they call the next person, right? And if I miss that call by 10 minutes and I call them back, they either won't answer or they'll say, oh, I'm good now. And then I lost 100, 200, whatever bucks it was, right? And then the online, though, the after hours is fantastic because nobody's answering their phone. However, they can book instantly online with me. So it's a win-win scenario. So online booking system, full-time employee, year 3 or whatever year it is for me, I think we're scaling up just great. Are you feeling awkward back there?
Yeah, always.
Nice. I like your style. So if you've seen any of my bartending videos, you may have seen that I've invented this thing called gourmet garnish. I didn't invent it, but out here, no one provides that with their bartending service, and it's absolutely fantastic. Thus stems my love for things like beef jerky. So I'm in this messy shop back here, and I've got some pepperoni, right? And so this is the pepperoni trick. I'm always going to keep pepperoni stocked, and the guys can grab a pepperoni every time they have a shift. Why does pepperoni matter? Pepperoni is everything. You take care of people, they take care of you. And how do you take care of people?
Pepperoni.
With pepperoni. Anyways, the shop's a mess. What did we do this week, Jaden? We installed a tent, 30 by 60. Did we do pop-up tents this week?
I don't think so.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, we did. Right.
Just kidding. All right, we got the first big tent of the season. It's a 30 by 60. We're about 20 minutes outside of the city that I work in, and I've got the van and the trailer. You can't see it there. The van and the trailer full of stuff, and then Jaden is driving the minivan and picking up all the guys. So there's 4 of us working on this today, and yeah, 30 by 60. Boys, give me my legs. I'll edit it. So last year installing tents was a bit of trouble. This year we gave Jace his legs so that lights can be installed easier and walls. We got the little mini jackhammer, more staff coming on. Anyways, Jaden was right. We didn't do any pop-up tents this week. There is customers been picking up all week, and that's the vlog. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe to see more vlogs like this all summer long. That's my video for this week. We'll get you next week with another update. It's going to be like this all summer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. And as always, you stay classy. What?
There's a customer over there.
That's okay.
Okay, no, just making sure you knew.
Yeah.
Okay, it's filming.
Hey, how's it going? Good. I'm the photo booth guy, you know, tips and tricks and DIY photo booths and blueprints and plans and templates and all that good stuff. Yeah, it's so expensive to buy a photo booth, but most people don't even realize what's inside a photo booth. You want a photo booth? Camera, touchscreen, computer, bam, photo booth. And if you don't have all that stuff, there's a way to do it just with an iPad Pro. We'll get into that later. I'm here to show you how easy it is to DIY your way into the photo booth business. Don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you anything. Well, I got things to sell, but I can teach you how to do it for free. If you build it, they will come. And you can make them do all the work by making them set it up at their own event. Then you don't have to pay for labor. You don't have to pay for printing. You cut all of the associated costs, and people will still rent this. Don't kid yourself, because I rent a buttload of these. Okay, so the photo booth has a Surface Pro tablet in it, which is essentially a computer, and all you need to do is download DSLR Booth photo booth software, and this is how it works. All we have to do is click, and it's going to take 3 photos, and then we're going to see our final product. So let's click and start the photos. Okay, so it's taken the 4 photos. Now all we have to do is SMS them to ourselves, and let's take a peek. Remember how I told you it gets easier? By just having an iPad Pro, you can have a photo booth? Well, now it's that time to explain it. Let's get into it. Nowadays, a professional photo booth can be as easy as just an iPad sitting inside a fancy case that lights it up. This is just an iPad Pro 9.7 inch. So the very first iPad Pro, which you could get for like $300 online. Turn that into a photo booth business. I've got the cool little locking case here, but you don't even need the case. All you need really is the iPad, and you can make this work with the app Lumish.